Oh, welcome to this new video, and today we are going to discuss the new ad credits that Google has announced in US country, and we are India-based Google ads agency, so we will discuss the Indian promotional codes as well. So in this offer, if you spend $500 in 60 days, then you will get $500 of ad credit. Similarly, the offer B is if you spend $1,500 in 60 days, you will get $1,000. And if you spend $3,000 in 60 days, you will get $1,500. So all you have to do is go to Google in your country and select whatever your ad spend is. For example, if you can spend $1,500 in 60 days, just click this and claim now. And all you have to do is sign up, and you will be eligible to get the offer. Similarly, if we go to Indian Google Ads, here are also the three slabs, which are offer A is if you spend 60,000 rupees in Google Ads in 60 days, you will get 40,000 rupees. Similarly, if you spend 1,20,000 in 60 days, you will get 60,000. And if you spend 1,20,000 in 60 days, you will get 1 lakh of ad credit. The steps to claim is simple as earlier. Just go to any offer and claim now. Or else you can do is that if you want us to manage your Google Ads account, then you can talk to us. As a Google ad partner, you will automatically get all the credits that you are eligible to get, because if you're a client of a Google partner agency like us, then you will automatically be eligible to get all the offers and promotional codes automatically, whether you are a new user or an old user. So if you like to start your Google ad journey with an experienced Google Ads agency like us, who is Google partners as well, then all you have to do is just go to the link in the description and schedule a free meeting, and we will discuss the business goals of yours and how we can maximize your profit through Google Ads, and you will be good to go. More such Google Ads case study videos, you can watch our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, Facebook. Well, that's all for today. This is Ankit Srivastava signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye.